I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest travel video. I definitely recommend trying some of the local seafood. It's absolutely delicious. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also rent a kayak or paddle board and explore the coast from a different perspective. There's so much to see and do here, you'll never get bored. And if you're lucky enough to be here during the summer months, you'll get to experience some amazing events and activities, like live music concerts and beach parties. So that's it for my tour of Plage de la Baca. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a sense of how beautiful and relaxing this beach is. Please don't forget to hit the like button, write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.
Sunset. Maybe tomorrow, yeah? Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.